Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class. My name is Hina and I'm a certified yoga and Pilates instructor. I have been teaching from past 8 years and today I have for you is a yoga inspired class routine. I have step-by-step explanation of Suryanamaskar and then I'm going to have an intense version of Suryanamaskar. It's going to be so much fun, so let's get started. Let's come and stand at the top of the mat. Inhale, take your arms up, keep that length in the spine, and as you exhale, maintain the length in the spine till you can't anymore and go into a forward fold. Bend your knees if your hands are not touching the ground. Inhale and take your right leg back into a lunge. You can place the back knee on the ground. Take the left leg back into a plank and hold your breath. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Exhale. Inhale, slowly you're gonna slide forward and rise up into cobra. Exhale, curl in your toes and go back into down dog. Inhale, put your right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, arms up and exhale, relax. Good. Let's start again. Inhale. Exhale, go down. This time the left leg will go back. Bend your knees and then take the left leg back. Hold your breath, right leg back. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Exhale. Inhale, slide forward and up cobra. Exhale, go back into down dog. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, arms up and exhale, release. So that was your one set. We are going to do 4 more. Okay, let's start. Let's inhale and start with our second set. You can go at your own pace, you don't have to follow mine. At any point, if you want to pause the video and you want to do more sets, you can do so. But today in class, I am doing 5 sets, means 10 Suryanamaskars in total. This is a small warm up from my side so that you can do the other version of Suryanamaskar, because that is much more intense and fast paced, so your body needs to be a little bit warmed up before you attempt that. Suryanamaskar is a combination of 12 different asanas put together in a flow. It is an excellent way to build up strength, target that mobility, as well as gain flexibility. Everyday practice of Suryanamaskar will not only help you gain strength but also help you lose weight and tone up. You will also notice an improvement in your sleep, anxiety and digestive system. It is also good for people with thyroid and diabetes. Suryanamaskar has so many numerous benefits and I'm so glad that you guys are practicing with me today. Keep going guys, we are almost there. Well done everyone. Now let's come and sit on the mat. So we'll take a little break before we start with the intense version. Sit comfortably on a mat or on a chair. Now take both arms in front of you about shoulder width apart, keep the elbows bent, close and make a fist and then open. So you are just curling the fingers inward to make a fist and open. We are going to do this really fast for about a minute. Let's go. This exercise is basically to strengthen your wrist. A lot of times when we start to increase the number of sets of Suryanamaskar, we need better wrist strength to support those number of sets of Suryanamaskar. Just last 20 seconds, almost there. Just last few seconds, we are almost there, don't give up. And we are done. Excellent, let's come up and stand. So now we are going to start with our intense version. Let's go to the top of the mat. Let's take the arms up and maintain the length in the spine as you go down. Okay, I stop here because that's still where I can maintain the length of my spine. So you can bend the knees if you like. Spine is the main element here. Let's do this 8 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Let's go 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Let's just hold there. Good. Now slowly bend your knees and place full palms on the ground. Good. From here you are going to take your right leg back into a lunge and then bring it back forward. Going back into a lunge and then forward. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna hold on the last one. Stay there on the last. Let's start with the left leg. You're going to take the left leg into a plank and then come forward, making it a lunge. Good. Again 2 and forward. Good. Let's start with 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold on to the last one into a plank. Go back into a down dog. Just relax there for a bit. And coming back into your plank, let's place the knees, chest and chin on the mat. And then slowly sliding forward into a cobra. And going back into your plank. Let's do it again. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Sliding forward into cobra. Going back into plank. Let's do this 8 more times. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Let's go back into your down dog again. You can slowly bring the foot a little bit forward and then bend one knee at a time. Just relax a bit. Good. Now from here, let's take your right leg forward into a lunge and then go back into down dog. Again forward and back. Let's go for 8 of these. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and one last, and hold in your lunge. We will start with the left leg now, bringing it forward, back, again forward and back. Let's go for 8 more. Okay, the left leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Now slowly just stay here in your forward fold, bend one knee at a time, open your legs a little bit wider, and then slowly go down and sit in your cross-legged position. Excellent job guys, you just did 10 Suryanamaskars in one go. So we completed 20 Suryanamaskars today. I am really very proud of you. Guys, if you're new on the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next class. Till then, bye-bye.